Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Paper Art. Hope you all are fine. Today I am showing you some different ideas of plant pots. These are very amazing and beautiful. As you can see, these are very colorful and hand painted pots. First of all, if you watch my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and also share it to your friends and family. And if you like my video, then please like it and comment on it. As you can see, these are very amazing and beautiful and colorful plant pots, flower pots. These are very amazing for your home decoration ideas. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz viewers.